I woke up last Tuesday with a neck cramp, so sharp I could barely turn my head. I'd spent months buying random, expensive pillows online, hoping for a miracle, only to end up with flattened, lumpy nightmares. Finding the right pillow feels impossible when you can't test it properly. That's why I finally drove down to IKEA, bought their most popular pillows, and slept on them for weeks. Today, I'll reveal which one actually fixed my neck pain and which ones are a complete waste of your money. Let's count them down. 5. GAFFELKLOCKA. When I first pulled this one out of its packaging, I was moderately optimistic because of its plush, inviting appearance and breathable outer fabric. The initial feel is incredibly soft, giving you that classic sink-in sensation that many people associate with a luxurious hotel bed. It feels light, airy, and looks like it would provide a comforting cradle for your head after a long, exhausting day. However, that initial optimistic feeling quickly faded after just a few nights of actual sleep. As I tested the GAFFELKLOCKA, I noticed a significant lack of structural integrity. It relies heavily on its fluffy filling to create volume, but the moment you lay your head down, that volume completely disappears. The support it promises for side sleepers is essentially non-existent, leaving your neck at an awkward, downward angle that practically guarantees a morning ache. Furthermore, the filling has a frustrating tendency to shift and clump up in the corners during the night. I found myself waking up multiple times just to punch and fold the pillow back into a usable shape. If you're someone who stays completely still while sleeping, you might find it tolerable for a short nap, but for active sleepers, this becomes a nightly chore that severely disrupts your rest. Ultimately, the GAFFELKLOCKA feels like a budget option that sacrifices long-term support for a fleeting moment of initial softness. While the price point might be tempting if you are browsing the IKEA aisles, the lack of consistent neck alignment makes it a poor investment for anyone serious about improving their sleep quality. It is a pillow that overpromises and severely underdelivers in the support department. 4. RUMSMALVA. We have the RUMSMALVA, which takes a different approach by utilizing shredded memory foam encased in a quilted cover. My first impression of this pillow was undeniably better than the GAFFELKLOCKA. The shredded nature of the foam means you can theoretically mold and shape the pillow to match the exact contours of your neck and head. It feels substantially heavier and more durable, suggesting a step up in manufacturing quality and material density. During my testing, I appreciated the ability to somewhat adjust the loft by squishing the foam around. When you first settle into it, the shredded memory foam gently conforms to your profile, providing a decent amount of pressure relief for your shoulders and neck. It definitely bridges the gap between traditional fiber-filled pillows and solid memory foam blocks, offering a hybrid experience that seems appealing on paper. Unfortunately, the practical reality of sleeping on the RUMSMALVA over several weeks revealed some glaring flaws. The biggest issue I encountered is how drastically the foam compresses throughout the night. You might start off with perfect alignment, but by 3 a.m., the shredded pieces have migrated outward, leaving your head resting in a deep, unsupportive sinkhole in the center. I constantly had to wake up to refluff and gather the foam back to the middle. Additionally, this pillow traps a surprising amount of body heat. The quilted cover, while soft to the touch, does absolutely nothing to dissipate the warmth generated by the memory foam. I frequently woke up feeling uncomfortably warm, needing to flip the pillow to the cool side. While the RUMSMALVA offers a marginal improvement in support over standard fiber pillows, the heat retention and midnight compression make it hard to recommend highly. 3. RAMSLÖKSMAL. This pillow features a much more deliberate ergonomic design, utilizing a supportive core surrounded by a softer outer layer. Right out of the bag, you can feel that it is engineered to maintain its shape, offering a reassuring density without feeling like a rigid brick. It immediately gave me the impression of a well-balanced sleep accessory. Sleeping on the RAMSLÖKSMAL provided a consistent level of comfort that lasted through the entire night. Unlike the previous entries on this list, It did not require any midnight fluffing or reshaping. The core provides a resilient pushback that keeps your cervical spine neutrally aligned, which is absolutely crucial whether you're rolling onto your back or your side. I woke up feeling significantly less tension in my upper back after just a few days of using it. The outer casing of this pillow also deserves special mention for its soft, breathable texture. It manages to deliver a cozy, plush feeling against your skin, while the firmer interior does all the heavy lifting. This dual-layer approach effectively solves the problem of wanting a soft pillow but needing firm support. It genuinely felt like a massive upgrade, offering a restorative sleep experience that I wasn't entirely expecting at this price point. While it might lack some of the advanced cooling technologies found in premium models, the RAMSLÖKSMAL is a brilliantly executed, highly reliable pillow. It holds its form beautifully over time, resisting the flattening effect that plagues so many standard options. For anyone seeking a dependable, daily driver that strikes an excellent balance between comfort and structural support, this is a fantastic middle ground choice that won't disappoint. 2. ROSENSKÄRM. The moment I placed this on my bed, its unique wave-like profile stood out. It features 2 different heights on either side, allowing you to choose the loft that perfectly matches your shoulder width and sleeping style. The memory foam core feels dense, premium, and perfectly calibrated. The support this pillow provides is nothing short of exceptional. When you lie on your back, the lower contour cradles your neck seamlessly, allowing your head to rest at a natural, tension-free angle. When you roll onto your side, the higher edge fills the gap between your neck and the mattress perfectly, preventing your shoulder from bearing the brunt of your body weight. The memory foam responds beautifully to your body heat, molding to your precise shape. During my month of testing the ROSENSKÄRM, I noticed a dramatic reduction in my morning stiffness. It actively forces your spine into a healthy alignment, acting almost like a gentle nighttime therapy session for your posture. Despite its firm support, the foam is highly responsive, meaning you never feel like your head is trapped or locked in one position. It adapts quickly as you shift around. Another massive benefit is the removable, machine-washable cover, which is remarkably soft and relatively breathable. Even though it is a solid block of memory foam, it did not sleep nearly as hot as I anticipated. The ROSENSKÄRM is a heavy hitter in the ergonomic category, providing specialized, targeted support that rivals orthopedic pillows that cost 3 times as much. It is an absolute game changer for chronic neck pain sufferers. 1. KLUBBSPORRE. This pillow takes everything great about standard ergonomic memory foam and elevates it with brilliant cooling technology. Visually, it is a sleek, substantial pillow, but the real magic is felt the second you touch it. One side features a layer of specialized cooling gel integrated directly into the memory foam, while the other side offers standard foam comfort, giving you the ultimate versatile sleeping experience. The KLUBBSPORRE delivered the most luxurious and deeply restful sleep of all the models I tested. The memory foam core is perfectly tuned, not too hard, not too soft, providing immaculate continuous support for both back and side sleepers. It contours instantly to the weight of your head and the curve of your neck, eliminating all pressure points. You feel a sense of weightlessness that makes falling asleep incredibly easy and staying asleep effortless. But the standout feature is undeniably that cooling gel layer. If you are a hot sleeper, this pillow is an absolute revelation. The gel side actively pulls heat away from your skin, maintaining a crisp, refreshing temperature throughout the entire night. I never once woke up sweating or needing to flip the pillow to find a cool spot, because the cooling effect is remarkably persistent. It transforms your bed into a genuinely comfortable oasis, combining flawless ergonomic support, premium memory foam responsiveness, and a highly effective temperature regulation system. The KLUBBSPORRE simply has no equal in the IKEA lineup. It completely cured my morning neck aches while simultaneously fixing my issues with overheating. It represents the pinnacle of sleep innovation for a fraction of the cost of luxury brands. making it my ultimate, undisputed recommendation for anyone looking to upgrade their sleep immediately. Outro. That's all for today.